Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a size chart in your product page. So you're gonna be able to display dynamic size charts on each product of your store. This will help your customers shop with more confidence and also reduce your returns. Before we start, I just want to let you know that you can save a lot of time importing size chart from AliExpress with DSize. Make sure you check it if you are selling clothes from AliExpress. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a Metafields. So I'm gonna click on settings. Now I'm gonna click on custom data. Now I'm gonna click on products, add definition. I will give it a name, size charts. Now I'm gonna select type and select single line text. Now we're gonna click on save and I'm gonna close it. Now we're gonna click on online store, click on customize. We're gonna click on over here home page. We're gonna click on products, the full product, and on product information we're gonna add a block. This block is gonna be text, and we're gonna just click on the text that we have added. We're gonna click on connected dynamic source, and we're gonna click on size charts. Here I'm gonna remove this text over here, text block, and I'm gonna click on save. Now I'll go back to my Shopify admin store. Now if we go to some products, we can just add the size chart directly on the product Metafields. So I'm gonna click on products over here, and we can just paste our table over here. I will create the table which this site is called htmltables.io. You can just type this URL and in your browser, okay? And over here we can choose how many columns and rows we want. And you also have the option of style that table if you want. And over here we can just edit the table content. So I'm gonna fill this with the fake data. And after you fill the table content, you can just copy the table code over here and paste it in your product size chart Metafield. So I'm gonna paste over here and I'm gonna click on save. Now if I go to my product URL, the table is already here. If you want to remove this credit, you can just open your text editor and paste your code over here and remove that line of the code and save it. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching.